How to change Snapchat username without waiting 1 year. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. If you go to Snapchat and under your username, you can only change it once a year. If it shows that you have already changed your username and it has not been 1 year since you have done that, here's a trick that might work for you. Go to your settings, search for date and time, go to date and time. Let's set a date 1 year ahead. And now I'm 1 year ahead of the actual time. Now, let's restart the device and that should do the trick. If it does not work for you, here's what you can do. Open your Chrome browser, type at the search bar Snapchat Help Center. Go to Contact Support page. Under this page, fill out the information, submit the CAPTCHA and tap Submit. And Snapchat will contact you within few days. And this is how you solve your problem. That's all for today and thank you for watching.